Batisi TV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Ringkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakirdob Ying Jompi
Ringkat lang bat ka pertai barok kawai ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School ka school kepadon Hanongpo Ribhoi District Hagasni thodieng jangka arpo terik benai jemang arajar arpo kala Rakhe ya ka Sngi Pyrshah ya ka Jingpyndonkam yo Duma daga bapenlong ya ka Jingya rally bat ka signature campaign ya ka ni ka Jingya rally la sedang na pelau jangka school bat ya terter shadow ka office trekam jang district sports officer bat hadin ka ni la penkut pat ya ka ni ka Jingya rally hapo school
Please, yeah, follow the line for signature and come, go back, follow the line. When you finish, move on this way and get back to your respective classrooms. Next.
Go girls, yes, come line by line, okay? Come. Listen everyone, we'll start for students, okay? Don't rush.
Doing this so that will create awareness amongst all the people, even in the school itself. Even students, we see nowadays they're taking tobacco, so this is not only an awareness for the people around in the area, but also for the students so that they may also not take tobacco. And tobacco nowadays has been very rampant, so I believe that this rally will create some kind of awareness that people will not use tobacco, and since it's really injurious to health, not just to the people smoking, but also to the ones around those smoking. So I believe that this rally will somehow help create that awareness in their minds that it should not be done, and the students themselves are the ones taking to the streets so that we will stop everyone, create this awareness that they will not take tobacco. So I believe that it was quite successful. We went all around here in Nongpo to the DTO and came back to school. So I believe the people, maybe not everyone, but a lot of people has gotten the message. And I think that I believe that it will become more successful. And I thank the school and I thank everyone involved in this, even the students themselves.
We are giving that awareness not only to the people in the local areas, but we are telling the authority, the higher authority, to take in charge. Especially nowadays, we see this practice of thieving is very prevalent, right? We see every day in the news. There's for example in Nongpo recently, right? So it's very important for us students to, the voice of the students to reach the authorities of our locality, so that they'll take in charge of any causes. For example, if as a student, right, they are supposed to what to say, they are supposed to, to focus on the studies, but with the coming of tobacco, sometimes with the coming of tobacco, especially smoking, and smoking is very injurious to health, as we all know, and it affects not only to the person individual alone, but it affects to the other. For example, the child. If he smokes in front of child, it affects his children also, because he's breathing that same air.